Areca-Tree learning. Multiply this. 3, 3, 3.
What do triangles, tricycles, and trios have in common? They all love the number 3. Let's dive in. First, 3 is an odd number. That means if you try to split it into 2 equal parts, one piece is always left out. Like sharing 3 cookies with a friend, you'll have 1 extra. 3 is also a prime number. That means you can only make 3 by multiplying 1 times 3. No other numbers work. Pretty cool, right? 3 loves to show up in groups, like a tricycle with 3 wheels, a trio with 3 singers, and a triangle, a shape with 3 sides. Now you know why 3 is an odd number. Also a prime, oftentimes indicated by try. Play this video over and over and you'll remember your 3s in no time. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time on Multiply This. Bye.
Times indicated by try. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36.
Hi there. Links to purchase the accompanying 333 activity worksheets and card game are in the description. See you later.
Areca-Tree learning. Multiply this. 3, 3, 3.
3, 2. It's an odd number, also a prime, oftentimes indicated by try. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. Times 6 is 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. Let's go! Times 11 is 33. Times 12, 36. 3, 3. It's an odd number, also a prime, oftentimes indicated by try. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 36. 3, 3. It's an odd number, also a prime, oftentimes indicated by try. 3. Twenty-seven, 30, 33, 36. 3. Yeah, it's an odd number.